Good morning, students. Today we are starting the chapter second, part third. The part third is pollination. Because before this class we thought about the the male gametophytes and the female gametophytes. It means the formation or the produces of the male pollen grains and the ovules or ovary. So now the next portion, the part third, it is the pollination. What is the means of pollination? Pollination, it is the process which transfer the pollen grain from the anther to stigma. It means the process which are the pollen grain which are transferred the pollen grain from the anther to stigma. It means you know very well, because before this class we study about it here, that are the portion of female gamete and that are the portion of anther or pollen tube, anther tube, that will be filaments that will be including the flower. Okay, so now that will the pollen grain that are produced by the anther, that will be transferred on the stigma, so that are called pollinations. Transformation of the pollen grain from the anther to the stigma, it is called pollination. So the pollination in this chapter, there are two types. The first type is self-pollination and the second type is cross-pollination. Self-pollination, it means self means auto. Okay, auto means that are the self or the auto. It means that they transfer the pollen grain on a same flower and same plant. Okay, same flower on a same plant. Okay, so that are the two types. First is autogamy, so it is also called autogamy, and second one is diatonogamy. So there are the self-pollination which have two types. First is autogamy and the second one is diatonogamy. So self-pollination and the cross-pollination that perform on the basis of the transformation of the pollen grain from the which types of the plant. So if they are same plants, same flower, or the two other flower on the same plant, similar plants, so it is called self-pollination. Or if they perform on the other two plants which are a same species, that are the cross-pollination. Okay, so there are the autogamy and the diatonogamy, that are the two types of there, and this cross-pollination is also called genogamy or allogamy. So there are the transfer of the pollen from the anther of one flower to the stigma of the other flower. Okay, so now but that are performed in a same species, so that are called the cross pollination. It means like here, if it is a flower, okay, thus it have the stigma, style and ovary, and there are present of anther also. So then the transfer of the pollen from the anther and to the stigma, so now that are the transformation of pollen grains from each other, that are called autogamy, and the autogamy that are performed on a same flower. Okay, सेम फ्लावर पर एक ही फ्लावर है, एक ही फ्लावर पर अगर दोनों पार्ट्स होते हैं मेल और फीमेल, और वो दोनों के दोनों अगर एक दूसरे में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करते हैं पोलन ग्रेन्स का, तो पोलन ग्रेन पोलन सेट से ट्रांसफ़र होकर स्टिग्मा तक पहुंचते हैं, तो अगर वो सब कुछ एक ही फ्लावर पे हो रहा है तो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड ऑटोगैमी, यानी ओके, इट मीन्स ट्रांसफर ऑफ pollen grain on the stigma of same flower. So अगर एक ही फ्लावर में ये जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है तो उसे हम बोलते हैं ऑटोगैमी. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज जिटोगैमी. जिटोनोगैमी जो है that are, और एक बात और है ऑटोगैमी की कि that are performing only the monoecious plant. It means monoecious. It is also called bisexual flower that have both of male part and female part, and it is also called homozygous. So that are called the autogamy. And now the next is geitonogamy. Geitonogamy, the transfer of pollen grain on the stigma of the same flower. Okay, but if there are the transfer of pollen grain from and the one flower which are on the same plant. Okay, अगर एक ही प्लांट पे हमने कोई भी एक प्लांट लिया और उसी पे दो अलग अलग फ्लावर हैं, तो उनके बीच में अगर जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है तो वो कहलाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड जियोटोमा. ट्रांसफर ऑफ पॉलन ग्रैन ऑन द स्टिग्मा from the another flower, दूसरा फ्लावर of same plant, उसी प्लांट के दूसरे फ्लावर से अगर उसमें ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है पोलन ग्रेन का, तो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड जियोटोमी. ओके, सो दिस द एग्जाम्पल या लुक हियर. इफ अगर हम ऑटोगैमी की बात करें तो ऑटोगैमी इट मीन्स इट लाइक अ फ्लावर, और इसी फ्लावर पे यहाँ पे इट इज स्टिग्मा, इट इज एंथर. तो अगर दोनों में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है तो ये दोनों क्या कहलाएंगे? अगर एक ही प्लांट के एक ही फ्लावर पे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है पोलन ग्रेन का, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑटोगैमी. और इफ दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑटोगैमी. और अगर जियोटोनोगैमी क्या होता है कि अगर एक ही फ्लावर एक ही प्लांट के और दो फ्लावर हैं और दोनों फ्लावर में क्या होता है, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है. दैट विल बी द pollen grain will be transfer from the one to another flower on a same plant. So that is called the geitonogamy. Okay, geitonogamy. Okay, now later. So that is the self pollination which will be performed on the autogamy and geitonogamy. Okay, so now the next is cross pollination. Cross pollination, it is also called genogamy or allogamy, because there are the transfer of pollen grain of the one flower to stigma of another flower. Okay, but their species are same. इन दोनों में क्या होगा कि दो जो फ्लावर हैं, एक फ्लावर ये है, एक प्लांट ये है, एक प्लांट ये है, और दोनों की दो स्पेशली दो फ्लावर के बीच में अगर पॉलिनेशन होता है, इट मीन्स पॉलन ग्रेन्स जो है ट्रांसफर होते हैं. दैट आर द प्रोसेसेस कॉल्ड जीनोगैमी, एलोगैमी और क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. सो वी डिस्कस अबाउट इट हियर. ट्रांसफर ऑफ pollen grains anther of one flower to stigma of another of anther stigma of another flower on the species कैसे होनी चाहिए, on the same species. Okay, so that are the same species flower, same species plant that will be transferred the pollen from one another flower and the other flower. Okay, so that are the called is क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. ये कोई एक फर्स्ट प्लांट है और ये कोई सेकंड प्लांट है, दोनों अलग अलग प्लांट है बट इनकी स्पीसीज क्या है, सैम स्पीसीज होना. तो अगर ये दोनों ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करते हैं पोलन ग्रेन का तो दैट इज कॉल्ड जीनोगैमी, एलोगैमी और क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. इफ दे परफॉर्म ऑन अ फ्लावर, so that will have performed autogamy and geitonogamy. So now that are the cross pollination and self pollination. According to their, we discuss about that the pollination may be occur by the pollinators. So according to their, the pollinators or the agents that will be have to perform these types of the pollination, such like we know very well that there are some pollinators which perform the pollination if they have self pollination, if they have cross pollination. Okay, now the next, if we talking about the pollinator or the agents that will be have to perform the pollination, first is if they are pollinated by the air, if they are pollinated by the water, if they are pollinated by the birds, by the insects, and by the animals, and by the bats, and by the snails. So there are the pollinators that we are going to transfer the pollen from one flower to the another. So if they are performed by the air, it is called anemophily. It is called anemophily. अगर एयर के थ्रू pollen grain जो है that will be come with the wind on the air, so that is called anemophily. And now the next is if they are coming from by the hydro means water, so that is called hydrophily. And that are the coming the transfer the pollen grain by the insects, it is called entomophily. And that will be performed by the ornitho, it means birds, so it is called ornithology, ornithophily. And now the next, it will be performed by the animal, so it is called zoophily. And now it will be performed by the bats, it means, so that are, it is called chiropteryphily. So now the next is snails that are also have the function of the pollination, so it is the called maleco. So if they are perform the pollination by the air, that is called anemophily, water hydrophily, entomophily, and the birds ornitho, okay, the ornithophily, and animals according to their zoophily, and now the bats chiroptero, and now the next is snails, it is malecophily. Okay, so that are the pollinators agent that will be perform the pollination function by the air, by the water, by the insect, by the birds, and also the animals and bats and snails. So that are the pollinators agents. So today we are discuss about the pollination, which types of the pollinations, and we describe about the pollinator agent that will be perform the function of the pollination. So this is called the pollination introduction today we are taking. So now next class we will discuss about what is the self pollination and their perform functions like autogamy or geotrophy. Okay, so now today we are discussing about the pollination introduction. Now the next class we will discuss about the self pollination, and after that we will discuss about the cross pollination, and then after that we discuss about all the pollinator agents that will be have and their examples now. So stay home and stay safe. Thank you.